Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 30 CAGR YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss about one indicator. This is a free indicator that I found online, and I thought this will help option traders who are trading in Indian stock market. Actually, this was developed for crypto markets, especially for Bitcoin. But after I applied this to Indian markets, I thought this is working decently well. So I thought I will bring this indicator to you all. And before we begin, in case if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to this channel because this is the channel where you get all these kinds of free resources like trading view indicators or strategies and algo tools. And speaking of algo tools, you know that bluechipalgos.com, this is the site where we host all our algo tools. We have variety of advanced algo tools. We don't provide any strategies, inbuilt strategies. However, all these are discretionary tools but very advanced, and if you are an option trader, then you must try all these algo tools. And last but not the least, we also develop indicators, trading view indicators on requirements. So let's say you have a requirement for your custom strategy. We do develop trading view indicator for that and deliver it to you. The basic version starts as low as 6-7,000. Don't spend too much money. Outside they are charging even 25-30,000 also. And the best part is you can also automate these indicators. I mean, you can fully automate and make sure that your trades get executed directly in the trading terminal. Okay, so with that, let's get started. And as I mentioned, this is the indicator. The name of the indicator is called Pro Scalper AI. Okay, you just go to indicator section and type Pro Scalper AI, and you'll see that Bullbyte is the one who developed it. Now, as I mentioned, it was developed for crypto, but it's working decently well for Indian markets as well. And then the second one is initially or originally they developed this for scalping purposes, 1 minute and 3 minute. But what I found is it's working pretty well for 15 minutes and above time frame. Okay, so if you are a scalper, you can try it out for even 1 and 3 minutes also, or even 5 minutes also. But my observation is that it's working well for 15 minutes and above time frame. So first we will see what we have. This indicator actually is very advanced. This indicator uses or gets data from so many parts, like it considers volatility, volume, strength, and even the momentum as well. So these are different things that it considers before giving us the trend. Okay, and they are using a lot of indicators also. For example, they are using ADX indicator for strength confirmation, and then they are using ATR for volatility. They are using OBV for volume stability or normalization, and then they are also using a lot of momentum indicators like RSI, Fisher's RSA, William R, stochastic, like that. They are also using a lot of indicators as well in this. Okay, but you don't need to know all that. They are just giving us simple indications for both bearish and bullish, or buy and sell. So we just need to understand how to use that. Okay, and you can see that if you go to settings, you have a lot of inputs. You don't need to touch all that, but one thing that helps you is latching. So what this latching actually is, there are two types of signals in this. One is immediate signals and the second one is latching signals. Immediate signals means whenever a setup forms, immediately after the setup forms, they will give you the signal. Okay, that's called immediate signals. But if you want to have the signals after certain confirmation, then they take the confirmation using volatility, trend, strength, volume, and then they give the signal. That's called latching. Okay, so if you put latching, currently latching is on, so you see all these triangles and a rhombus or diamond icons here. So you can see here you have up triangle and down triangle. So these are different icons that they are using. And if you turn off latching, okay, then the symbols will be changed. Okay, you can see that we have plus and circles. Okay, so it depends on you whether you want immediate signals or a latching. For now, I'm just going with the latching, since more of confirmation would be there in this latching kind. And then if you go to settings and style, you can see that we have immediate and then we have latching. Again, in immediate, there are four fields or four parameters here. In the immediate, there is strong by strong cell and then early by early cell. Even in latched also, there is strong by strong cell, early by early cell. Okay, since we selected latched, let's discuss about this. What's the difference between strong signals and early signals is strong signals. First, let's discuss about early. In fact, early signals is nothing but, once the setup is confirmed, okay, immediately they are going to give you the signals. Okay, you can see that these maroon color diamonds are nothing but early signals, early cell. Okay, this early cell comes as soon as the setup is formed, whereas this red color triangles, okay, that are facing downward, these are like, strong buy and strong sell. You can also see in the table that the signal is strong sell here. Okay, which means currently the running candle has a lower triangle, a red triangle. Okay, so it's a strong sell. And likewise, you can also check for this buy. You can see that there are like diamond. In fact, I changed the color. If I go and hit on reset settings, yeah, you can see that there are light green for diamond symbols and then dark green for up arrows. Okay, so you can go here and change whatever color you want. So I just change this to light color and then hit on OK, just to make sure that I can easily recognize. And these are like the early signals, latched early entry or early buy, but this is more like a strong entry. Okay, so you can choose whether you want to go with early signals or strong buy and strong sell. So these are the kinds of things that we have in this, and you can see that let's actually look at a couple of signals. Yeah, you can see that the confirmation came yesterday around 1:45, and today it smoothly went down. And even here also, here the signal came, sell signal. Initially there was like a little bit of up and down, and one specialty about this is even if there are like whipsaws, okay, this latched confirmation or latched signal will not take those whipsaws into consideration. That's why we are saying it's a latched. Okay, it's not immediate. In the immediate, what happens is the reaction to the market movement or the whipsaw is immediate. Okay, you can see that the market fell in the later half, and even here if you see, you can see that we got a buy signal and then market ended up. So this doesn't mean that you get all these kinds of signals. In any indicator there are false signals, so it's up to you how you manage your risk when the signal goes for a toss or it kind of fails. So, and there is no mention of target and stop loss in this, so it's up to you how you put the target and stop loss. What I suggest is generally go with previous support and resistance levels, or swing highs and swing lows. That will act as like a good stop loss and target for you. Okay, so that's all we have for this, and it's a free indicator. As I said, Pro Scalper AI is the name. You can search, and likewise if you have any requirements also, as I mentioned, we can code that for you. Let's say you have a strategy and you want to automate it, sure, you can come to us with as I mentioned, with very less cost we can automate this, even for analyzing purpose, or even if you want to automate also, you can automate using third party algo bridges, which are very cheap. Okay, you don't need costly algo tools to automate your trading setups. Okay, so that's all we have for today. And in case if you need any algo tools also, where to visit, bluechipalgos.com. This is the site where we have all the algo tools. You can contact us for all these kinds of inbuilt algo tools or for your custom trading view projects. Thank you so much once again. If you like the video, please hit on like, because if you like, that's like a motivation for me, and I'll make more and more videos. Also do share in your communities, Telegram or Twitter or YouTube, wherever it is. Do share so that others also might benefit from this. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.